Alright guys, here we are down on the mat to finish up our morning coffee project. So we made this guy and we got our necklace going. We just need to finish up the necklace, so I'm going to crimp it. And I think I'm going to take off a few of these links to make my earrings with. Now I was going to double it up, which would also have been cute, but I do think I need a little chain for those earrings. So I'm going to get 7 links from each side. And then we ain't got to worry about that. Easy peasy. So I'm just going to crimp here. My camera's crooked or something. I'm just gonna crimp this on to the chain. Like so. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. We'll do the other side. There we go, crimp looks good. I was able to salvage my little piece of wire here. Alrighty. Let me zoom out. And we can get a measurement on the whole works here. Whoops. Winter's doing silliness. Alright, so we're right at 20, right before it hits to the pendant, so that's pretty good. We love that for us. Alright guys, we're on to the earrings now. So I think for these earrings I'm going to just make them really simple. So I'm going to make my own head pins to wrap up these squares, because that's what I did on, whoa, on the pendant. So in order to do that, I'm just going to create my own head pin, twist around in a little spiral 3 times, push this straight up, take it off, flip it over, run it back through there, and create this little nest. I always come in and kind of tuck this little tail so I don't jump out, bite nobody. And then I'm just gonna wire wrap this guy. I think I'll just put this guy on the top. And I'm just going to add the chain, the little snippet of chain, right on there. And just gotta tuck this tail in here. There we go. That's what he's looking like. And then all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take some jump rings. I think I'll use some 6mm ovals. And I'm just gonna, I only have I think 3 to add on. And kind of put those wherever you want to. And I put him on my earring wire. Just like so. That's pretty cute. Okay, and I'll whip up the next one and we'll take a look at the whole set. Alright guys, there's our finished earrings, and here's the whole set. We have the bracelet and the earrings. Now, I was going to put spacers on this because there does appear to be a lot of string, I'm sorry, bead covers. However, when you put it around your wrist and it's laying flat, it's kind of the amount of string that it needs to do that. So a little extra is required. So I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, so there's that guy. And then we have the necklace. Well, let's see. How are we going to do this? This way, I guess. Okay, hopefully everybody's in the frame here. Let's zoom out a little bit. That's pretty good. Yeah, so there we go. Not bad for designing on the fly this morning with our Unseen and Unbothered bags. So these are Jaspers. We did sell these on Thunderhorse Descendant. I don't know if we have any left. I'd have to look on the website. And this little swans. What is that? Someone is calling the bat phone. These little swans and hearts and check guys, we sold those as a kit. We did sell out of those, so I don't think that those are available, but there we go. So I think they're really cute. I quite enjoy it. I hope you're all having a lovely, spectacular, amazing beading day. If you are, please make sure to make a comment on this video. It's very helpful for the channel. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.